Welcome. If you've ever missed an important pop-up on a trusted site while browsing with the Chrome app, you're not alone. Today, let's walk through the updated steps to enable pop-ups in Chrome, but only for the sites you trust, so you can keep your browsing experience safe and efficient. First, open your Google Chrome app. This is where you'll make all the changes to your pop-up settings. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and find the option labeled Site Settings. This section gives you control over how websites interact with your browser, including permissions like pop-ups and redirects. Now tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. Here, you'll see a switch that lets you turn pop-ups on or off. If you want to allow pop-ups for all sites, simply turn this switch on. But to keep things secure, it's best to only allow pop-ups for specific, trusted websites. To do that, keep the main setting off to block pop-ups by default. Then, whenever you visit a trusted site that needs to show a pop-up like for logging in or completing a form, look for a small pop-up icon in the address bar. Tap on it, and you'll see an option to always allow pop-ups and redirects from this site. Select that, and Chrome will remember your choice for the future. This way, you're not opening the door to unwanted ads or spammy pop-ups, just the ones you actually need. If you ever change your mind, you can manage or remove sites from your allowed list in the same pop-ups and redirects section of your Chrome settings. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll enable pop-ups in Chrome only for trusted sites, keeping your browsing smooth and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.